इरफान, एक बात बताओ, why is that some people work so hard, earn decent money but still feel broke inside? उनकी सैलरी आती है, बिल्स चले जाते हैं, बिजनेस में पेमेंट आती है, बट नेक्स्ट एक्सपेंस रेडी खड़ा होता है और लोग कहते हैं बस थोड़ा और पैसा आ जाए, लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. But honestly, many people are not struggling because they don't have money. They are struggling because their energy around money is blocked. So today, I really want to ask you directly, is money really the problem or is it something very deep?
Neha, beautiful question. And I want everyone who's listening to us right now, I wanted them to take a pause for a second and hear this carefully. Because money is rarely the first problem. Money is usually the visible result of an invisible energy. मतलब आपके बैंक अकाउंट में जो दिखता है ना, वो पहले आपके माइंड, इमोशंस, बिलीफ और एनर्जी में क्रिएट होता है. So today's episode is not about how to earn money fast. Today's episode is about something deeper. Why money does not stay. Why opportunities don't open. Why people feel stuck even after doing everything right. Because the truth is, it's not the money, it's energy.
Yeah, that line itself is very powerful, isn't it? It's not money, it's the energy. बट इरफान, कॉमन पर्सन के लिए एनर्जी का मतलब थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग हो सकता है. बिकॉज व्हेन समवन हैज ईएमआईज, ओके, किसी के पास रेंट होता है, किसी के पास स्कूल फीस होती है देने के लिए, होम एक्सपेंसेस हैं, बिजनेस का प्रेशर है, सो दे विल नेचुरल से एनर्जी एनर्जी बाद में, पहले पैसा चाहिए. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली, so explain this in a very simple way so that our audience, so that our listeners, they will be able to, understand it in a better way.
First of all, let me say hi, I'm Coach Irfan Aziz. And those who are watching us for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to this channel ताकि आपको इसके updates आते रहें. ठीक है?
And
All right. So,
and I'm Coach Neha Baveja from In Manifestation. Yes, over to you, Irfan.
so बिल्कुल. So let's keep it this very simple, as you said, Neha. Imagine your phone battery is at 2%. Okay. Now someone gives you the best app. हाँ, बेस्ट ऐप बोल रहा है कि ये बेस्ट ऐप है, ये बेस्ट इंटरनेट है, ये बेस्ट कैमरा है, या बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है. बट फोन में बैटरी कितनी है, तो क्या होगा? फोन हैंग करेगा, ऐप ओपन नहीं कर, कैमरा प्रॉपर्ली वर्क नहीं. Right? I'm sure many people who are listening to this can relate to this. Same thing happens with human beings. Many people says, I want more money. But internally, unka system is running at 2% energy. They wake up with tension. They check messages with fear. They look at the bills with heaviness. They receive money with pressure. They spend money with guilt. They talk about future with anxiety. This is called scarcity mode. And I want to ask everyone who's listening to us right now, are you in scarcity mode right now? Or do you feel money comes but does not stay? Or do you feel you are always behind? Maybe you feel guilty when you spend. Or maybe, how about feeling jealous when others are growing? Or about feeling scared even before taking actions? If the answer is yes, please understand this lovingly. You are not lazy. And you are not unlucky, please. And you are not even broken. You are simply operating from scarcity energy.
So ये scarcity energy का मतलब क्या है, इरफान?
Well, good again. Scarcity energy means your mind is constantly saying, I'm not good enough. Right? I'm not enough. मेरे को लाइफ सपोर्ट नहीं करती. Money is difficult to make. Right? जो अमीर लोग होते हैं वो लकी होते हैं. My time has not come. What if I fail? What if I lose everything? And when this becomes your inner language, your outer life starts matching it. Because your action comes from the state, right? हमने इसके ऊपर बहुत बार What is your state? Right? A person fears taking that fearful action. Right? So a person takes uh, doesn't actually trust taking that action. जो जो इंसान ट्रस्ट में होता है ना, वो पावरफुल एक्शंस लेता है. दिस इज व्हाई टू पीपल कैन गेट द सेम अपॉर्चुनिटी. एक ग्रो होता है, एक फ्रीज हो जाता है. राइट? द डिफरेंस क्या है? नॉट अपॉर्चुनिटी, एनर्जी की.
Yeah, I think this is making sense. But many people will ask, is this like only spiritual talk or is there some science behind it also?
उनको तो पता ही नहीं यार. साइंस इज समथिंग, हाउ इज ऑलवेज बी माई फोटे ओवर द पीरियड. मैंने हमेशा हर चीज को साइंस से रिलेट करके ही देखा है. सो देयर इज अ साइंस आल्सो एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी आल्सो, ऑफ कोर्स. बट लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड बोथ इन अ सिंपल लैंग्वेज. व्हेन अ पर्सन इन अ फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेस, द ब्रेन गोes into survival mode. And survival mode means the brain is not thinking clearly or creatively, right? It is only thinking, how do I protect myself? This activates fear, pressure, and overthinking. Now tell me, Neha, when someone is scared, can they make their best decisions? तुमको लगता है?
Mostly no. They either, I would say, delay or panic or they make wrong choices.
Exactly. And that's my point. And that is what happens with money. In scarcity
Yeah.
mode, people do three things basically. Number one, they delay important decisions. कल करेंगे. कल से स्टार्ट करता हूँ. कोई प्रोग्राम कल से करूंगा. कुछ सीखना है कल से करूंगा. हर चीज कल के ऊपर डिले हो जाती है. नंबर टू, दे से येस टू रॉन्ग अपॉर्चुनिटीज. मतलब शॉर्टकट्स ढूंढने लगते हैं और गलत चीजों में पड़ जाते हैं और वहां पे धक्के खाते हैं. नंबर थ्री, दे डोंट टेक एक्शन ऑन द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटीज. जो सही है उसके ऊपर actions नहीं लेंगे. क्यों? Because the nervous system does not feel safe. And here is a very simple formula I want everyone to remember. State creates thoughts, and your thoughts creates your decisions, and your decision creates action, and your action creates results. So if your state is fear, your thought will be fear-based. And if your thoughts are fear-based, your decision will be weak. And if your decisions are weak, your actions will be inconsistent, of course. And if your actions are inconsistent, it's not a rocket science that your money results will also be inconsistent.
Yeah. So actually, money problem starts much before money actually.
Exactly, Neha. That's what point is. Because money problems start अंदर से होती है, inner state से होती है. Let me give a very common example. Huh? A person who wants to start a business, they have an idea or an opportunity. They have skills also. They know what to do. But inside, they keep thinking, what if people judge me? लोग क्या सोचेंगे अगर मैं ये start करूंगा या करूंगी? What if nobody buys or trust my words? है ना? What if I lose money? मैंने पैसे खो दिया तो क्या होगा? Right? What if my family says I failed? और लोग मेरे ऊपर question mark उठाएंगे. Now the person does not take action or they start or stop. Start and stop. Start and stop. ये इनका एक पैटर्न बन जाता है. And then after 6 months, they say, business does not work for me. ये business से potential नहीं था. ये था ही बेकार. But business did not fail. वो कुछ भी करेंगे ऐसे ही रिजल्ट्स आएंगे बिकॉज द इनर सेफ्टी फेल्ड. राइट? क्वेश्चन ये होता है, मैं सबको ये पूछना चाहूंगा कि हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैव यू ब्लेम्ड मनी और मार्केट और योर फैमिली, इवन क्लाइंट्स, और बहुत बार तो डेस्टिनी, राइट? व्हेन एक्चुअली योर ओन फियर स्टॉप योर एक्शंस. नो गिल्ट, जस्ट अवेयरनेस करके सोचो आप ये क्वेश्चन को.
Yep. I think that is really deep because many times people don't even realize that fear feels like logic.
ब्यूटिफुल लाइन बाय द वे. Fear feels like logic. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Because fear says, fear क्या बोलता है पता है? Be practical. वो आपको बोलता है don't take risk, right?
Yes.
कुछ fear तो यही बोलते हैं wait for the perfect time, जैसे कि पूरी कुंडली इनको ही पता है कि क्या होने वाला है कल महादशा. और कुछ लोगों को क्या होता है कि first arrange everything, पूरा perfect होना चाहिए उसके बाद करते हैं. बट abundance क्या बोलता है? Abundance states, जो लोग abundance से भरे होते हैं वो लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Start with what you have. First start, then we will figure it out. One beautiful rhyme is coming into my mind. It says by, I think, one of the greatest entrepreneur of all time. He says once that even if you get an opportunity, even if you don't know how to do it, first take it, then learn it. Right? ये abundance
Yeah.
वाले लोग बोलते हैं. Take one clean action. Learn as you move. Because money flows movement. And this is where energy comes in. Energy does not mean sitting and only thinking positive. इसका मतलब energy नहीं है. Energy means आपका inner state from where you're taking the action. If an action is coming from desperation, कुछ लोगों को desperation रहता है, जल्दी जल्दी चाहिए सब कुछ. वो बोलते हैं ना, उर्दू में कहावत है, नए फकीर को भीख की जल्दी. That is also comes from fear state. Yeah, people feel it. And if your action is coming from service, right? People feel it also. And I mean, we are into the business also, right? We I don't think so. Neither of us ever thought कि अरे क्या होगा क्या होगा. We said कि अरे सर्व करते रहो, एक दिन हो जाएगा,
Yeah.
right? If your sales call is coming from that, please buy, I need money, please feel pressure, or ये बहुत अच्छा, वो convincing, no, it will not come. But if your sales call is coming from, I can genuinely help you, then people will feel trust. Because पैसा जो है ना, वो trust को follow करता है. And trust begins with your energy.
True. And I think this will connect with a lot of entrepreneurs, coaches, professionals, and even salaried people also. So, can you share a story where someone shifted from scarcity to abundance?
Yes, there are many. There are many. I'll share a very simple story without taking the person's name, okay, because that's something we don't encourage to. But there was one person who came to us, right? Very hardworking, very sincere, very capable on paper. Over then a tiger, in cricket language में बोलते थे कि the names on the paper tigers. Like he was skillful, right? Everything was okay, good skills, good intention, good knowledge, but money was not flowing properly. Whenever money comes, some unexpected expenses आ जाते हैं, right? Whenever the new opportunity comes, either overthink कर लेते हैं, either delay हो जाता है. Whenever they had to speak about their price, voice अंदर ही चली जाती है, हलक के. They would say like, you won't pay, my market is not ready, धंधा खराब है, लोग है ही नहीं, I don't want to sound greedy. What if they say it's expensive? I feel uncomfortable asking for money. Please, now listen carefully. The issue was not pricing. The issue was not industry. The issue was not market. The issue was not skills. The issue was your belief. And the belief is called, if I receive more money, people may judge me. So internally, these people wanted money, but emotionally, they were afraid of receiving money.
Yes. And that happens with many people. We have so many people in our community. They had it before. Okay. So if I talk about our platinums and diamonds, there's like a lot of people. I think majority was coming from this category only, isn't it? So they wanted growth, but they're not comfortable being seen as successful.
Exactly. You remember, we gave this person a very simple practice. Every day, instead of saying, I need money, we asked them to say, I'm safe to receive.
Yeah.
I'm safe to grow. I'm safe to charge for the value I provide. Because money receiving with honesty is a blessing, right? My growth can help more people. You need to change the way the view. Because nazar badlo to nazare badal jate hain, that's what they need. And along with affirmations, we ask them to take that one small daily action, not big action. क्योंकि बड़े-बड़े actions just one small money action. One follow up, one offer, that one call, that one proposal, that one constant post, that one honest conversation, that one payment reminder, right? Within few weeks, something changed. Now, this is magic? No, it's not magic. Not magic. Money falling from the sky? No. But real magic is their voice becomes stronger. They stop apologizing for the price. They start following up without guilt. They start showing up consistently. And because the energy changed, the action changed. This morning only I was talking to somebody who having a one child when they started their uh, you know tuitions, and was very scary and that always having that doubtful attitude. But this morning when I was talking, the person said I have now 13 kids and I was making more than I have ever made in this part of the world, because their action changed. Money started moving. And this is manifestation in real life. Not just sitting with a candle and waiting, but healing the inner block and then taking the aligned action.
Yeah. So I would say that the breakthrough was not only external income, the breakthrough was actually the inner permission.
Exactly, precisely. That inner
Yeah.
permission, what you said. And I want everyone who's listening to ask themselves one more question. Where am I not giving myself permission? मैं वो कौन सी जगह है जो अपने आप को परमिशन नहीं दे पा रहा हूं या पा रही हूं? या परमिशन टू अर्न हो सकता है, या परमिशन टू रिसीव, permission to charge, permission to rest, permission to grow, permission to become visible. Because many people don't need more knowledge. Let me tell you, they need permission to become the person they already know they can become.
Beautiful. Okay, so now let's give people something very special. Okay, very practical, I would say. Suppose someone is listening right now and feeling, yes, I'm in that scarcity mode, so I want to shift. So, what can they do from today itself?
Well, I will give three simple practices, Neha. No complicated techniques, no expensive remedy, no drama actually. मैं तो बोलता हूँ, please सास भी कहीं बहुत ही मत बनाओ अपनी life को, right? It's very simple. Just three daily practices. First, आपको करना है scarcity catching. Means first practice is called next 24 hours में आपको simple notice कीजिए कि what is your money thoughts. Whenever you think about money, वो क्या sentence आ रहा है दिमाग में उसको पकड़ो, right? Is it money is going too fast? I can't afford this. Again expenses आ गया वापस से. Yeah, people like me don't become rich. I'm always struggling. My luck is bad or business is difficult. वो क्या आ रहा है? You know? Don't fight that thought. मैं fight करने के लिए don't judge भी नहीं करना है. Just catch it. ऐसे हवा में जाते हो को पकड़ लो. Because what you cannot see, you cannot change, right? So at night, I want you all who are listening, write down 5 scarcity thoughts you notice. Then you can ask one question. Is this truth? और ये मेरी कहीं ना कहीं mind की programming हो गई है. Because most of the time, you will realize it's an old programming. Maybe from childhood, maybe from parents, maybe from society, past failures, one bad experience, कुछ भी हो सकता है. One bad experience should not become your whole life's belief, right?
Very simple and powerful. So, basically, just to summarize it, it's first catch the thought and then question it. That's it.
Exactly. Second practice में मैं बोलता हूँ नेहा कि gratitude before transaction. हमारी जो TMOG, the magic of giving जो practice हम करवाते हैं,
Yes.
right? Every morning 6 a.m. and night 10 p.m. 2 batches चलते हैं जहाँ पे लोग आते हैं. This is the stage they are in. Before paying any bill, before sending any payment, before buying anything, pause for 5 seconds, just 5 seconds and say thank you. This money is helping me my life to move, right? Thank you, I'm able to pay. Thank you, my money is serving me and others. Why? Because most people pay with pain. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल पे करना ही है, चाहे अंदर से आए ना आए. लेकिन क्या बोलेंगे, अगेन बिल आ गया. स्कूल की फीस रोते हुए भी देनी है, खुश होके. लेकिन क्या बोलेंगे, अरे सो एक्सपेंसिव, के प्राइसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, इतनी महंगाई, right? They pay rent. So all this heaviness is there. But think deeply. Electricity bill means you had the light, no? School fee means your child is learning. Grocery means food came home. आपने खाया ना? Rent means you have a roof, right? Petrol means you can travel. This does not mean expenses, right? आप समझने की कोशिश करो कि मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि they are not real. They are real. But the energy of payment can change. मैं वो बोल रहा हूँ. When you pay with pain, money feels loss. When you pay with gratitude, money feels circulation and grateful. And money loves movement, yeah. So money is not meant to held with fear. Money is meant to move with respect. So again, another question. Are you treating money like a sacred prisoner or like a respected guest? That's what you have to think.
That line is beautiful, Scared prisoner or like a respected guest. So, money as a respected guest, I would say.
Yes, because when your guest comes, you respect, na, Neha. When your guest leaves, you don't curse them, no? You bless them. Same with money. When money comes, you say thank you. When money goes, you say thank you. And when money is yet to come, prepare yourself to receive. तो इसीलिए आता है practice number 3, one abundance action daily. ये third practice है. This is very important, by the way. Many people do inner work but avoid outer action. They immediate वो meditate करते हैं, journal करते हैं, affirm करते हैं, but they don't make that call. They don't send the proposal. They don't ask for payment. They don't send their CV. They don't post content. They don't upgrade their skills. They don't speak about their offer. Right? When they say manifestation is not working, manifestation is not an escape from actions. Manifestation is an alignment with actions. So every day, ask yourself, what is one action I can take today that open the door for money, for the growth or opportunity? It can be very small. Send one message, follow up with one client, record one video, make one offer, learn one skills, and clean your wallet maybe, update your resume, apply for one job, call one prospect, finish one pending work, one action daily, whatever it could be. Because abundance is not only a feeling, abundance is a behavior.
So let me just summarize the three practices. So one is scarcity catching, notice your money thoughts. Number two step is gratitude before transaction, which is pay with blessing, not with pain. And number three is one abundance action daily. So take one step that opens the flow.
Perfect, Neha. And if someone does only these three practices for 7 days, they will start noticing a shift. Not because the whole world changing, because their inner relationship with money started to change.
Yes. So, Irfan, this naturally connects to something we keep teaching in the magic of giving, TMOG. Okay, because many people think TMOG is only about charity or donation, but actually it is very, very, very deep.
Absolutely. Magic of giving is not just about giving money. It's about shifting your energy from lack to gratitude, right? Because when a person says, I have nothing, the mind kahin na kahin band ho jata hai. When a person starts seeing, actually, I already have so many blessings in my hand, then kya hota hai? Heart open hota hai. And when the heart opens, receiving also becomes easy. Na? Giving is not only financials. Giving can be appreciation. Giving can be kindness. Giving can be time. Giving can be forgiveness. Giving can be blessings. It can be a knowledge. It could be a prayer for somebody. It could be a smile, which is free, absolutely. Magic of giving teaches you to live from fullness, Baba. And when you live from fullness, your energy change. You stop saying, I don't have enough. You start saying, I'm already supported. You stop chasing money with fear. You start attracting opportunities with stability.
Yes, and that is why we have made it very simple for everyone. So it's a monthly practice which happens, okay, Monday to Friday. It's daily small shifts, daily gratitude, daily inner work, daily energy connection. And that's the best part of it is that it is not heavy, it is very practical, I would say.
Yes. So if today's episode touched you somewhere, कहीं ना कहीं आपको लगा हाँ यार ये सही है, then right? If you felt, yes, I need to shift my money energy, my scarcity mindset, my gratitude level, then Magic of Giving can support you beautifully. So link is in the description. You can click there. You can join, be a part of it. Come with an open heart. Don't come for a quick magic. Come for a real inner shift. Because when you're giving, energy opens. You're receiving, energy also opens. And that is where abundance begins.
Yes. So, Irfan, before we close, I want to speak directly to someone who is in financial pressure right now. Maybe they are listening while driving, maybe they are sitting at home worried, maybe they are looking at their bank account and feeling scared. Okay, but what would you tell them? I would say.
I would say this, what, with a lot of love, let me tell you. First, breathe. Your current situation is not your final destination. Your bank balance is not your identity. Your debt is not your identity. Your struggle is not your identity. Your past mistakes is not, you are not behind. You are rebuilding. And sometimes life does not need you to panic. Life needs you to come back to your center. Because when you are centered, you can see solutions. When you are panicking, even blessings looks like burden. So today, don't ask only how will money come. Ask what energy am I living in? What belief is controlling my money? What fear is stopping my action? What blessing am I ignoring? What one step I can take today? And remember the formula. State creates thoughts, thought creates decision, decision creates actions, and action creates results. So if you want new results, don't only change your strategy, change your state. Because two people can use the same strategy. One create abundance and one can create stress. Difference is energy.
Mhm. So we are coming back to the same line, I think, where we started. So it's not money, it's energy.
Exactly. It's energy, not money. Money is the result, energy is the root. Money is the fruit, energy is the root. If the root is fear, the fruit will be stress. If the root is gratitude, trust, clarity, and action, the fruit will change. And this is not about becoming careless with money. Please understand. Abundance does not mean overspending, it does not mean ignoring bills. Of course, it doesn't mean pretending everything is okay. Abundance means I can face reality without fear. I can respect money without worshiping it. I can take actions without desperation. I can give without feeling empty. And I can receive without guilt. And I can grow without shame. That is the true money healing.
Beautiful. And I think today's episode is not only about money, but it is about life. Because whenever scarcity exists, wherever it actually exists, life becomes heavy. And wherever gratitude enters, life starts opening, isn't it?
Absolutely, Neha. So today, take one decision. Don't fight money. Heal your relationship with money. Don't curse your expenses, please. Bless the support they gave you. Don't wait for abundance to come from outside. Start becoming abundant from inside. And take that one action because energy without action becomes imagination. Action without energy becomes pressure. But energy plus action becomes manifestation.
So true. So, if this episode gave you even one realization, do share it with someone who is silently struggling with money pressure or scarcity mindset. And also, please tell us in the comments what is one scarcity thought that you are ready to release today? And write it honestly, okay? Maybe it is money never stays, I'm not good enough, or I can't charge more, or I'm always struggling, or I'm scared to receive, you know? So put it in the comments because the moment you write it, you start releasing it. And if you want to go deeper into the gratitude, giving energy, and receiving energy, join us inside TMOG, the magic of giving. This practice can help you shift from complaint to gratitude, from fear to faith, and from scarcity to flow. And yes, subscribe to this channel because every episode here is created with one intention to help you heal first, manifest next, and lead your life with clarity. So, this is Coach Neha Baveja
And this is Coach Irfan Aziz from In
from In
Manifestation.
Manifestation. Heal,
Remember,
manifest, lead.
lead. Remember, it's not money, it's energy.
Yes. See you in the next episode. Keep giving, keep growing, and keep manifesting. Namaste.